Your father was killed by LTT. What are your feelings about these people?
I don't myself. I don't have anger or hatred towards anybody. Of course, I lost my father, and for me it was a very difficult time. Do you have a father?
Yes.
He's alive. So I'm sure many girls here have lost their father. You've lost your father? Yeah? So you know what it feels like. It's like someone has cut your heart out, no? It's like that. So I felt tremendous pain, but I don't feel anger. I don't feel any hatred or any anger. I forgive.
Thank you, sir.
Hello. Anna. Rahul ji.
Okay, now
Here.
they've given me a slip saying last question. So I'm going to have to
Here.
listen to them, and
Hello.
this will be the last question.
Hello.
Yeah. The mic's not working.
Sir. Sir, can you please turn around?
Yes.
I'm asking a question here.
Okay, yeah.
Sir, good afternoon.
You again, you like sir, but call me Rahul, call me Anna, call me.
Sorry, Anna.
Be comfortable.
I used to call my professor,
Yeah, but
so it's just
I-
a habit in college.
But I want you to be comfortable.
Okay, Anna.
I want you to
I'll
relax.
stick to Anna, no
Yeah.
more sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So my question is, even now you shared your pain by the loss of your father. So your
Well, loss of my father, no, because I still carry my father with me. So, look, understand something. Violence cannot take away anything from you. At all. Does not have the power. You can give up something, but violence cannot take anything from you. My father's alive in me. And by the way, a lot of the things that you have heard today, they came to me from my father. So my father is talking through me. So it's not that my father is not there today.
after many hardships that your family have faced in politics, that is your grandmother, your father, what made you to step back in politics? What gave you the courage to be in politics even after all the hardships you and your family have faced?
See, politics is a lens through which you see me. You see me right now, you're like, oh, he's a politician. But that's just, it's a very small lens. I am a human being, right? As you saw, I'm a cook, right? I can cook. I do many, many different things. But you've been told that I am a politician, and that's the lens with which you see me, right? It's only one of the things that make me. For me, whatever I do, I believe in certain ideas. Okay? Like for example, when she told me that she's not going to be an engineer, this caused me disturbance. I didn't like it, right? I was, why is society not letting her dream? Why is society destroying her dream? So, when I see somebody being treated unfairly, I don't like it. It irritates me, and I want to try and do something about it. And I found that this profession that you call politics allows me to do that for many people. And so I do that. I don't think it requires courage. I just go ahead and do it. You know, that's just what I do. And for me, like this conversation I had with you, I'm going away with a lot of understanding that I got from you. You will think that, oh, I came here, gave a speech and left. But I learned from you. I learned many things from you. And I'm going to take that home with me. And I hope that you learned one or two things from me. Yeah. So I think that's what life is about. It's about me respecting you, me listening to you, and then you doing the same, and then us improving both our situation. I don't think that needs courage. No.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, now, okay, last one.
Hello, sir.
Now I'm going to get into trouble because I've got other people in a public meeting.
Here. Here. Sir, I'm here. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Anna, first of all, very thank you for spending your precious time with us. And my question is that whenever you thought that why most of these women's in
Can you hold it closer so everyone hears?
okay, sir.
Yeah. Louder?
Whenever
Because
you
they
thought
can't.
Thanks a lot, sir. Whenever you think about that, most of the women's were the toppers in the schools and schools exam and college exam, but only few were can reach the higher states in their as compared to men. Only few can reach their toppers. For example, CEO of Google is a man. CEO of Tesla is also a man. Most of the politicians were also men, and most of the scientists who received Nobel Prize are also men. Though we got 50-50 equal rights from the government, whether really women empowerment exists in India, and whenever you thought about that?
Well, see, there is a door in front of you, right? It is quite clear that it is unfair. You have to break the door. We have to open the door. So you have to make examples.
Okay, definitely,
right?
Anna.
So you and many other girls here have to become examples. You have to try and become the best at what you do.
Really?
Right?
Yeah.
And I'm pretty confident that with 5 or 6 good examples, you will have a line of young ladies behind you saying, if she can do it, then I'm also going to do it.
Yeah.
No?
Yes.
And so that should be the spirit. It is unfair, but we are going to make it fair. There is a door in front of you. We're going to break the door down. Okay?
Yes, Anna.
Okay. Thank you.
Anna.
Girls, I know you all hate letting him go, but we'll have to let him go now because he has another program to attend.
Unfortunately, look, it's been a pleasure for me coming here and talking to you. Did you have a nice time? It's been a pleasure for me. Now I've got other people who I have to go and speak to because there's a public meeting, and so I can't delay much more. But maybe I'll come back here sometime and have a longer conversation with you. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you very much.